Hey Roblox fans, welcome back. Do you want to link your Roblox account to your PlayStation for PS4 or PS5? I've got the fastest steps to sync your account and dive into your favorite experiences. Let's get gaming. So first you need to ensure that you have a Roblox account with your username and password ready. If you forgot your password, you can reset it at the official websites. Facebook Connect isn't supported on PlayStation. You'll also need your PSN account signed into your PS4 or PS5. Only one Roblox account can be linked to a PSN account at a time, and unlinking locks the Roblox account from new PSN links for 90 days. Open the PlayStation Store, search for Roblox and download it. Ensure an active internet connection. Launch Roblox and on the main title screen, select Login. Enter your Roblox username and password, or you can also use a quick login. You can scan the QR code. Also guys, you can get the 6-letter code to your phone to log in as well. Once logged in, your Roblox account is automatically linked to your PSN account, syncing progress and Robux. And that is it. Your Roblox account is now linked to PlayStation. Jump into epic experiences with your Robux and progress. Love this, smash that like button and of course subscribe to our channel. Like the video and click on the notification bell to not miss the new uploads, and I'll see you in the next one guys.